Hey all, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, please hit the like button. So, I know you must have read this title, and I don't know, like it might help you. So, it's been like three, no, like it's been like 7 to 8 days. I've been feeling so low, and yet I am posting on Instagram because yeah, my low is somehow related to my productivity, and we are not so productive. Um, I don't know, like I want to be. It's not like I don't want to be. I want to be productive, but it's not happening. When a new error has started, I have decided to post 6 to 7 long videos, and yeah, you can clearly see I'm not doing it. एंड उसके बाद आई हैव ऑल्सो डिसाइडेड कि मैं थोड़ा सा जर्नलिंग वगैरह भी करूँगी. एंड इन जैन आई वॉज सो फकिंग कंसिस्टेंट, लाइक आई वॉज जनरली सो कंसिस्टेंट, बट after that I don't know, suddenly something has happened. I mean, I don't want to like open my notebook and post it, write it. Journaling I used to love, like when I'm feeling low I would love to write my emotions and let them get out, but it's not actually happening, which is making me feel so bad about myself. And I feel like I can do a lot of things, but I am not. I'm lacking behind. And yeah, like I don't know, like it's just happening. I feel so bad, like genuinely so bad. I'm so connected to my Instagram, yet we have like 2000 followers, and I'm so grateful for that. And so in Feb, it was like a change. I've sorry. Suddenly, my account flew. It's like, oh my god, from 1400 to 2000, but now it has again stopped. And what I feel bad, ki like it's okay, of course, it takes time, but suddenly, like you had a lot of hopes, and तुम ऐसा फील करते हो कि like अभी grow कर रहा है, then it will be keep growing. I feel like that it will be keep continuing, but it's actually may not happening. That is making me feel, that is generally making me feel so bad about myself. I feel like something is lacking, but I am not able to अंडरस्टैंड कि लाइक क्या हो रहा है, क्या मैं पीछे हट रही हूँ किस चीज़ से. आई वॉट इज द थिंग दैट आई कांट फिगर इट आउट. एंड या लाइक सॉरी गाइज, सबसे पहले तो टुडेज वुमेंस डे, तो हैप्पी वुमेंस डे टू ऑल माई गर्लीज हु आर डूइंग सो मच ऑफ हार्ड वर्क. एंड I like pray for them, hope so they get everything they want, and yeah, keep going. I have also like said this multiple times to me, keep going. Just you have to go, and which I am doing. And yeah, like it's just feeling super low. I can't do anything, but I have to, it's already March. I had a lot of things. I really wanted to be financially independent by the end of December, and now I feel like I don't know what's going to happen. My mindset has been changed about everything. It's not like I don't want to do. I'm not consistent on YouTube, but trust me, I'm so consistent on Instagram. I post every freaking day. Even though I have daily college. I just go to college, come out, and then I sit for shooting. And I do it. And you feel bad, like if you're putting a lot of 100% efforts, and in the reward you're getting 0%. So yeah, like this is so bad. Few days back, like 2 days back, it was a proper sun kissed thing, and I wanted to shoot some sort of traditional thing. and I got ready. मैं 11:30 क्लास से आई and it was 12, around 12 I sat and मुझे लगा कि I have to shoot, like it's proper, perfect time, it's like mid. So I was like ठीक है फटाफट. I got ready and that reel which I wanted to shoot, it has like, it cost me a lot of efforts. It's like the song, I'm not remembering, it's like you have to be, Radha something, and it was like proper traditional. We have to do some white, a lot of makeups and all. I did everything till 2. ठीक है, उसके बाद I sat for कि चलो फटाफट शूट कर लेती हूँ मैं. And I mean, भाई द थिंग इज कि मैंने इतने अच्छे से सब कुछ सेट वेट कर लिया, बट द क्लिप्स दैट आई रियली वांटेड कि आए, वैसा नहीं हो पाया, वो नहीं आ पाया. एंड इवेंचुअली मैंने लाइक ठीक है शूट भी कर लिया, सेव भी कर लिया मैंने, and उसके बाद आई गॉट चेंज एंड आई वॉज सो फकिंग टायर्ड, लाइक आई वॉज जेन्युइनली सो टायर्ड. एंड मुझे उसके बाद इंस्टेंटली नहाने जाना था बिकॉज उस रील के लिए आई हैव लाइक प्लेड विथ कलर्स, होली का रेड कलर, सो वो मेरे बाल बाल में चले गए थे, प्लस पूरा फ्लोर भी हमारा गंदा हो चुका था. सो आई नीडेड टू क्लीन ऑल ऑफ देम एंड गेस व्हाट, the clips that I thought I have saved, I thought it was not saved. And yeah, like I feel so bad because I was generally super tired. After that I had like given my 110%. Still I was not getting the perfect clips. I was doing it. And again in sham mujhe like, फिर I thought कि like there's no point of मेकिंग दैट रील अगेन, तो बिकॉज मैं काफ़ी थक चुकी. देन आई फिर से, जैसा कि मैंने बोला, आई डोंट नो लाइटिंग का क्या हो गया इशू, तो मैंने फिर से शूट किया लाइक लिटरली जाकर. एंड या दैट डे आई वॉज फीलिंग सो बैड, आई फेल्ट लाइक क्राइंग इवन दो आई वॉज क्राइंग, बिकॉज हो क्या रहा है. I want to be productive. It's not like I want to be lazy. Honestly speaking, I used to scroll हर दिन 4 घंटे 5 घंटे इंस्टेंटली मैं स्क्रॉलिंग करते जा रही हूँ, and that makes me feel so bad. Why even am I doing this? Journaling का I feel so bad, so because of that I decided to order to-do list का book and new notebook so that I got some motivation to write. I just feel like I have lost my spark. Yeah, like I've just lost my spark. I don't know, like I feel so bad because hopes aate hai bhai. Like at the end of the day I am also a human being, so I have some expectations from Instagram. YouTube ka I won't say anything. YouTube has given me so much, like, but I'm not consistent on YouTube, तो उसके लिए I don't have to say anything. But Instagram, I am genuinely putting a lot of effort. It's not happening yet, guys. Somehow I am motivating myself to keep going. I have this like deadline, and that is the most scariest part. I have set this deadline in my head and I need to be financially independent before this deadline. I want to opt this as my career, and of course my parents want me to become something which will make me financially independent. So because of that I have to earn money, because there is no point of even though I love making content, but वही होता है कि like अगर पैसे नहीं आ रहे then there is no point of doing it. So because of that I'm so scared, like because अभी है time still, we have like 9 months in our hand. 3 महीने तो पता नहीं कैसे खत्म हो गए guys, like literally today is 9th. I feel so bad. I don't know, like, so because of that I've ordered, and I hope that will make me motivate. And I will of course, because I don't want my life to get ruined. I literally love making content. I want to be a financially free bird. I love traveling and I have a lot of things. All I can do is like do and give my 100% efforts so that I can be financially independent and I can do whatever I want. I don't want to get in that cage because I don't want to do job. I don't feel like I'm 9 to 5. I have like, I don't know. I love making content and इसमें मैं दे सकती हूँ टाइम. मैं कर सकती हूँ 4 घंटे 5 घंटे 6 घंटे खुशी से. It's not like I am doing because of some sort of pressure or something. No, it's not like that. I'm doing it because I love doing it. I love making it. So yeah, it's just, that's it for the video, guys. And to all who are feeling low, uh, keep going. Like, just keep going. Maybe this is the bad phase of your life, and we see there's this quote ki if something is coming to you, तो उससे पहले you will have like a very bad phase. So of course it will pass, and just keep going, do for yourself because you want yourself to be independent. So just keep doing, just go, give your 200%, like just do it. Journal karo. I will also, like, I've ordered, once I'll receive it uske baad I'll start and I'll focus more on myself, putting a lot of efforts in my content too. So yeah, and yeah, happy Women's Day to my girlies again. I know you will do it, like you can do it. You have to do it for yourself. So yeah, that's it for the video. Bye.